Silkscreen printing has been an incredible experience for me and my colleagues at school. This printing technique has allowed us to be more creative and produce nice designs. The great thing about silkscreen printing is that it can be used to print on many surfaces. Silkscreen printing is a fantastic tool for us to learn valuable skills.
It's an exciting development that you could use in the printing, and it can be worked alongside our STEM teacher within the classroom. You can use this technology within the STEM classroom. Children have a great opportunity to become innovative and work as part of a group.
In our school, what we encourage is real-life experiences. It's great to connect something like what we did today to a future career, and it allows children and students to see the potential of what a career can be in this line. So yeah, it was very beneficial today. What we do in STEM, for those who are not familiar, it's a combination of science, technology, engineering and maths. It gives a rounded experience for our students, and it allows them to, as we said, to bring together skills that they can use. You know, some students might not always be the most academically strong with their literacy or numeracy, but like what we did today, it really shows them that talents that they can use, that they can be used in the workplace moving forward, and that it can benefit and create an amazing career for them in the future. From our experience today in using it, we personally found it very beneficial. The students had a great experience from it. It allowed them to be creative in their designs in advance to deliver a finished product. So for us, on behalf of VISS, I found it very beneficial. And if I was to be asked by another school, I would encourage them to bring this technology on board.
Innovative, motivating.
Incredible experience. It was fun. كان سهل كثير. More creative.